Assembling. Keche. On your max. Get set. Street beat. Go. Something so sweet there for your body.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating a vibrant eye look and two different lip combos. And we're starting with my eyebrows has already been done, did it with the Davis eye pencil. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee to prime my eyes, and I'm setting that with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to stop it from creasing. So right now I'm going in with a bright pink peach shade from my Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. It's a very nice palette. Just carving out my lid using the LA Girl Pro concealer still in the color Toffee. This makes it easy for me to know where I intend to put my eye colors on. So after that's done, I'm using the color Pyramid from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. It's a bright gold shade, and I'm putting that on my lid as my lid color. It's really vibrant and works very well with the concealer that I had put earlier. So I went in to blend that out, and right now I am using a purpley shade still from the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. This palette is gold. You can create an entire eye look from it, and it's really affordable. It's not very expensive. I'm trying to blend that in with the Pyramid shade from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I'm drawing a line. I wouldn't call it a wing. It's just a line using my Huda Beauty waterproof eyeliner. It's just a tiny line. I had no intention of winging that out, and I'm trying to make it precise and look decent. It looked a bit crooked though, but I was trying to get it to look decent. So I'm brushing up my eyebrows with the sleek mascara, waterproof mascara, and now I'm going in with my lashes. This is a random lashes. I can't remember the name, but if I find it, I'll put it somewhere in the description box. After that, I'm going to line my waterline. I'm using the Revlon Colorstay eyeliner crayon in the shade black. It's really dark and it's precise, so it's a lot easier to use when lining your eyes. Right, I'm moisturizing my skin using the Olay Hyper Activating Moisturizer. It helps smoothing and softening the skin, especially if you have dry skin. And now I'm going in with the Pond's Vanishing Cream. I'm using it as a primer to prime my skin. And now for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Mocha, I think. Yep, in the shade Mocha. It's a matte foundation and it's a bit too light for me though, but I try to blend that in with a concealer after, just a little bit of concealer or a dark foundation. But I didn't do that here because I was actually going for a look that was a bit lighter than normal. After that, I'm highlighting highlighting the bottom of my eyes, bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, under my cheeks, under my jaw, everywhere I'd normally highlight where I want light to hit. I'm highlighting that, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Toffee still. I'm blending that out with the same brush I used in applying my foundation, and just trying to take that in, make sure that I have the concealer everywhere. When blending, you don't want to spread the concealer because then you have a lot of places you end up putting setting powder on, well, basically almost everywhere on the face. So you just blend in the position you actually placed it. I'm setting that with my Benai banana setting powder. This is well, I'm just setting that with banana setting powder, nothing serious. And I'm setting the rest of my face with my Maybelline all-in-one clear smooth all-in-one powder. It's also a matte powder. I'm also in the shade this is SP25. I think it's mocha too. And I'm going into my bottom lashes with the same purple shade from the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, just to smoke out my bottom lashes. I'm defining my face with the face up definer, contour and conceal palette. I hope I got that right. I'm just chiseling out my cheekbones and every other place that I want to stand out in my face. Okay, so we're going to be applying highlights using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the shade Bubbly. It's a bright gold, rose gold shade, and it's very good on dark-skinned women. Now we got our glow popping. We're going in with our blusher. I'm using the Lilian 3 color blusher, and this is the bright pink blush, just trying to get color in on my face. And now I'm setting everything in using the Gorgeous Girl HD setting spray, just take away the powdery effect and bring the whole makeup look together. For my lips, I'm going in with the Davis eye pencil, the same eye pencil I used on my eyes, just lightly to line my lips. I couldn't find my brown lip pencil. Smacking that together and using the Huda Beauty matte lipstick. The shade range of this has wiped off, but I'll leave it in the description box. And I'm applying the clear lip gloss. This is the Absolute Iman clear lip gloss, and there you have it. It's a very bold lip and a gorgeous looking eye, if I do say so myself. For the second lip combo, we're going to be using the Minalin lipstick. It's an old lipstick too, and shade range has wiped off, but I'll try and get all this and leave it in the description box. And there you have it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I appreciate the love. I read the comments. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.
Keche. On your marks, get set, street beat, go! Something so sweet there for your body. What is sad, one mommy area, something so sweet there for your body. What is sad, one mommy area, one mommy situation area, one mommy situation area, one mommy situation area, one mommy situation area. Ya no no, ordinary safi family, all the china jinya koso, ampa adie de wo mama, ozuzo mi mu di jimi. She dey make the feel